Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna cover up the easiest tutorial for solving the 3x3 cube. So let's get started. Shuffle. So before starting the tutorial, I would like to mention a few things which is required for the formulas. So this is called R, this is called R prime, this is called U, this is called U prime, this is called L prime, and this is called L. This is called D prime, this is called D, this is U2, this is R2, this is L2. Well, let me repeat. This is R, R prime, U, U prime, L prime, L, D prime, D, U2, R2, L2. This is F, this is F prime, this is N, and this is N2. So now let's get started. The first step for solving the cube is the cross. Any color, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to start with white. So I'll teach you two methods for the cross. So let's begin with the first method. So for the first method, you need to identify the yellow centerpiece and you need to fill these pieces in white. So let's get started. Find the white pieces over here. So insert another white piece, so here, so bring it up, another white piece over here, so this is the first step for solving the cross. The next step is to align the colors with their respective centers and rotate the cube 2 times. I'll show you. So orange, rotate with orange and rotate 2 times like this. Now blue, rotate with blue and 2 times. Red is already matched with red, so the same thing 2 times. And green, match with the green and 2 times. So it's the cross. Now I'll show you another method. So let me shuffle the cube. Yeah, so for this method, you need to identify the white centerpiece. Then you need to fill these with white. So find the white pieces and insert them. So white pieces over here. Let's bring it down. White piece over here. So bring it. And a white piece over here. So rotate. Bring it here. Then another white piece is over here. So rotate. Bring. Now you see that all the pieces are now aligned to their respective centers except the orange. So now what you're going to do is match any both. These both are aligned, but these both are not aligned. So you're going to apply a formula. Make sure that you hold the cube in such a way that the green side is in the right side. So the formula: right, up, R prime, up, R, U2, R prime. Now you see that all the pieces are aligned to their respective centers. That's the cross method 2. So now let's move on to the first layer. So for the first layer, you need to identify the pieces which are white in them and apply a formula which I'm going to show you. So let's take this. It has white in it, so green and orange. So place in between green and orange, like here. Then apply the formula, which I'll show you now. So R prime, D prime, R, D. 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 So you see that's matched to the respective place. So let's move on. So the next piece which has white in it is this piece. So orange and blue. So match in between orange and blue. Now apply the same formula. R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, D. So this match as well. So find the next piece. This has white in it, so blue and red. So match in between blue and red here. So apply the same formula. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. So the last piece left, so find it, has white here, so red and green, match between red and green, apply same formula. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And this is the first layer. So now let's move on to the second layer. So for the second layer, you need to flip the cube like this. So our objective is to bring orange here, orange, blue, blue, red, green, green. So let's get started. So you find a green, orange centerpiece here. So match with orange. And observe the color, top color. It's blue. And blue is at the right side. So you're going to apply a formula from the right side. So it goes like this. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, front, up, F prime. So now you see the piece which was initially here has matched here. So now the red, match with the red. Observe the top color, blue, the left side. So now you're going to apply a formula from the left side. It goes like this. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. So this is matched as well. So now the red center is only matched with the red center piece. So observe the top color, green. Green is at the right side. So the right side formula now. U, R, U, R prime, U prime, F, U, F prime. Now you see that this also matches. So last piece. So it's here, orange, match with orange. Observe the top color, it's green. Green is at the left side. So left side formula. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. So now the second layer is solved. So now let's move on to the third layer. So you will get a yellow cross here, as white is the opposite color of yellow. If you have solved the base as red, you will get an orange cross, blue base, green cross. So now the yellow cross. So when you see a dot here, see the white piece here. So from here you need to apply formula. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now you see that you get an opposite L here. So from where you get the opposite L, you need to use the same formula. Again, you can't use here or here because they're not opposite L's. So from here, same formula. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So now you get a line here. So from where you get the line and where you have the yellow piece here, apply the same formula. You can't apply it here. You can either apply here or here, not here, not here, because the yellow is not there. So same formula. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. As the cross. So now let's move on to the next step. Align the pieces with the respective centers. So as you see here, green and orange are aligned, whereas red and blue are not aligned. So what are you going to do? is apply a formula. So you need to hold the cube in such a way that the right side is green. So now apply the same formula which I told you in cross method 2. So it's called like this: R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Now you see that all are matched with their respective centers, they are aligned. So our next step is to solve the cube. So for that you need to do a step. So this side is blue, so you need to observe here and or here where they have blue color piece. So here you have green, but here you have blue. So the blues are the right side here. So from the left side you need to apply a formula which I'm going to show you. So formula goes like this: L prime U R U prime L U R prime U prime. Now you see that you're at the last step for solving the cube. So the yellow is here. So there are actually two cases, yellow here and the yellow here. I'll show you both the cases. So the first case, yellow is here. So you need to apply a formula in which the solved side is in the left side. So yeah, R U2 R prime U prime R prime R R2 U prime R prime. So same formula in the left side: L prime U2 L U L prime U L prime, and so there's another case that I'm going to show you now. So this case, last time we had the yellow here, so we did that formula and finished it, but now the yellow is here. So this case, there's another formula. So you need to hold the cube in such a way that the solved side is at the right side, this time not the left, and apply a formula. Right U R prime U R U2 R prime L prime U prime L U prime L prime U2 L, and it's solved. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can post in the comments box below, and don't forget to subscribe.